For those who have actually heard me, speaking before, I normally raise an issue where I talk about some different things, and one of them is that success leaves clues. There's no one who has ever been successful in this world without really knowing what they did. So whenever something has been achieved, the achiever of that success will tell you what they did. So that's basically what it means, that success leaves clues. So in order for you to be successful, you need to identify those people in your life that have actually done something that is similar to that which you want to be good at or to achieve. And when you do that, you sit down and study them and ask them questions in terms of how they show up on a daily basis and what they do differently from others. And then you'll get to understand that. Are you ready to move from mental darkness to mental light? Then I'm here. Please do give me a call and let's engage further.